Hey there, Pauls. Top 5 SC here, and I've got the ultimate guide to rock 2024. Let's ditch this. Stop doing this resolutions. Let's do what we want. Remember when mom said don't do something and that's all we want to do? It's about doing what we love instead of stopping stuff. First off, body vibes. Keep tabs on what makes your body happy or grumpy. Yep, even if it means making a nerdy spreadsheet, know what fuels your awesome and what doesn't. Number 2, exercise vibe. Sweat it 3 times a week. No need to go superhero mode. Water. Lack of it messes things up big time. Chug some water before that snack or beer. It's a game changer. Here's a surprise. Give therapy a shot. It's about growing and understanding, not just fixing. Random adventure. Head to a bookstore. Cook a random dish. Snap a pic. If it's yummy, get the book. Found my fave soup this way. You know, all of these that I am saying have a big impact in your life, guys. Like, seriously. Texting. No more delays. Be authentic when you reply. Switching gears. A little favor for all of us. Wash those bed sheets. It's a big deal for better sleep and clearer skin. Sleep matters. Found my magic pill. No more overthinking or tired mornings. Journaling time. It's your thought bank, a mix of memories. Use it to remember who you are. To ask questions, drop the I know everything act. Put your phone down while watching TV. No need to multitask 24/7. Balance is key. Rate your happiness in different areas of life. It's like taking stock of where you're at. Set goals, but don't forget to celebrate. Imagine the party in 12 months. Reflect on why those goals matter. Plan your ideal week. Make time for what matters. Be real about the time you've got. All right, let's set you up for an awesome year. Thanks for tuning in. Your journey to an epic year starts now. Catch you in the next video. Later, pals.